It's Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got another CN train heading west. Very unexpected. That's the third CN train heading in either direction in like 10 minutes. Awesome. It's about 2:15 p.m. on the 3rd of November 2021. Just waiting for a bus, and I got 3 trains in the space of 10 minutes. So this looks like a westbound tanker train. Second tanker train in like I said, 10 minutes. There was one before that had a lot of tankers. Not completely all tankers, but mostly. And this one might be mostly, if not all, tankers. Some more mixed freight. Box cars. Hopefully there'll be some other things here besides tank cars. Alright, there's some hoppers. Mix things up a bit. Oh, you just blew. Sounds like the horn there. Or maybe get a train coming the other way, not sure. Pretty lucky to be getting all the trains at 2 p.m. here. It's a time when I don't normally see a lot of trains, and I'm kind of busy most of the time anyway about this time, so very lucky. And that's the end of the train. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. There's another tanker train headed west.